tip trick. Seems silly, but how to properly brush your hair. A lot of people don't know this, and they kind of rip through their hair, and you can kind of hear the tangles pulling out, and it's pretty brutal. My sister, she's terrible at this, and I get on her all the time. So I'm gonna save you the trouble. You need one of two tools. You either need a paddle brush like this, that kind of like, it's kind of got like a squishy base, or a wide tooth comb works really well too. And this is great for in the shower as well, when your hair is wet. You never want to brush your hair with a brush or with a tight toothed comb when it's wet. Your hair is most fragile when it's wet, so don't do that. I'm gonna use my paddle brush just because I like it better for my hair type, and I wanna give you a little bit more information on it. So when you hold your brush vertical like this is the best way to remove tangles because it's the most gentle. You can see that all the little like pins, hairpin cushions, whatever these are called, kind of line up in like little soldier rows. And when they line up like that, it makes it really easily slip through the hair. When I turn it horizontally, they're kind of in this like cross hatch pattern. Like if you just look at a few of them, it looks kind of like the 5-point on a die. This is for when the tangles are gone. So it's kind of awkward because you don't really think about holding your brush like this vertically, but I want you to get used to it. So here's where we're gonna start. My hair's not super tangly, but a little bit. So I like to take like a section, and I like to use the back of my other hand, and I'm just gonna kind of start at the ends, and I'm going vertically here, looking kind of silly, but it's okay. And I'm just gonna kind of work through and all the way till I get to the top. And you can, hopefully you can hear or not hear, I'm not like ripping through anything. If I hit like a snag, I'm gonna stop, find where that snag is, and just really gently comb it out. Once I've gotten through all the tangles, then I can hold it more kind of the traditional way you think of holding your brush and go through it horizontally. And then kind of as you come to the back, you can see like I'm just kind of doing the ends first, getting through it, all those tangles. You want to do, if you're combing your hair wet, you want to do this too. Start at the ends, and then you can kind of work your way up. My hair's not super tangly today. And then once I know I've got the tangles out, I can kind of just really easily brush them. Easy peasy. Try brushing your hair, that way it'll cut down on breakage, and it'll save your scalp.